N.R.T here, guys. Welcome back. So in today's video we'll be doing an unboxing from a new channel sponsor. Let's get to it. I opened it up. That side. Two new companies. I think they're the same company. I'm not 100% correct. They might be. But let's move over here. But to begin with, Blaster, guys. That's right, Blaster. And Gunk. So they sent us out some products to try on the channel. Now, of course, I've been a long-time customer of both of these companies. I use their products all the time. All the time. Got that. Get all the product out. I'll show you guys. They're supposed to be sending me some apparel and a banner. Put another banner up on the banner wall. And that's that. So obviously the first one is the Blaster Penetrating Oil, or PB Blaster. Right there. It's a lubricant. Rusty bolts, it breaks them loose. We got 3 cans of that. Then we got brake parts cleaner, non-chlorinated. How many cans of that we have? 2. Whoa! Knocking all the crap over. Okay, so we got 3 cans of brake clean. Then we got 3 cans of starting fluid from Blaster. Then we got 3 cans of long-lasting chain cable lubricant. We're going to try some of this out on some cables. What was I trying? What cable? Oh. Case 580 backhoe that I'm working on. The park and brake cable needs some of this, so we're going to try it on, obviously on the Odyssey right here. Then last but not least, 3 cans of Gunk engine degreaser. So this is the beginning of my partnership with Gunk and Blaster. I seriously appreciate them for sending these products out. I look forward to working with them. I'll put a link in the description to the websites. Go check them out. Tell N.R.T sent ya. Have a great day. Hit that subscribe button for me. Leave a like. Give me a comment. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.